Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, distinguished moderators and respected fellow researchers. My name is Della Olivia from Polytechnic Negeri Samarinda. It is truly an honor for me to present our research entitled Linking Online Experience and Marketing Factors to User Loyalty in Mobile Legends at the Borobudur International Symposium. In this presentation, I will briefly discuss the background, research objective, methodology, and the key findings of our study. Let me begin with the background of this research. The rapid investment of digital technology has significantly transformed the global entertainment landscape, particularly through the rise of mobile gaming. Over the past decade, the mobile gaming industry has become one of the most profitable sectors in the digital economy, driven by the widespread adoption of smartphones and affordable internet access. Among the most popular titles in Southeast Asia is Mobile Legends Bang Bang or MLBB, a multiplayer online battle arena or known as MOBA that has cultivated an expansive and loyal player base. In Indonesia, the game has evolved beyond mere entertainment, serving as a social platform where users interact, compete, and build communities. As the number of users continues to increase, competition among Mobile Legends game developers has intensified, prompting a growing focus and strategies to maintain user engagement and loyalty. Despite the popularity of MLBB, sustaining user loyalty remains a critical challenge. Many players demonstrate fluctuating engagement levels, often switching to competing platforms offering similar gaming experience. These behaviors highlight potential deficiency in understanding how various digital and psychological factors interact to build trust and satisfaction. In the context of mobile gaming, user loyalty is a complex behavior outcome influenced by psychological, technological, and social factors. This study is situated within the context of mobile gaming application, a rapidly expanding sector that remains relatively limited in digital consumer behavior research. In contrast to previous studies that predominantly focus on online shopping or social media platforms, this research frames the analysis in gaming environment marked by high interactivity, social identity, development, and emotional immersion. For the literature review, there are some literature that used in this paper, in this research, which are service marketing theory, consumer behavior, security and user trust, perceived enjoyment, satisfaction and loyalty, online customer review and trust, and social media marketing. So this is the conceptual framework. Figure 1 integrates both direct and indirect pathway linking digital experience variable to loyalty. As security, perceived enjoyment, online customer review, and social media marketing serve as independent variables, influencing satisfaction and trust, which in turn determine loyalty towards in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application. This study adopts a quantitative research approach with an explanatory design and cross-sectional method. Data were collected using a structured questionnaires measured on Likert scale and analyzed statistically using structural equation modeling with a support of SPSS and AMOS. In this study, using 27 indicators and using a multiplier number of 5, so that the number of samples of the study. The number of variables in the study were 7 variables consisting of 4 exogenous variables, 2 intervening variables, and 1 endogenous variable with 27 indicators. Referring to the calculation of the minimum number of samples, the sample in the study was 135 samples. The sample techniques used in the study was accidental sampling techniques. Results and discussion. The figure shows the reliability test, which is show that all of the instruments are reliable. Next, a characteristic of respondents. These findings illustrate the primary user of Mobile Legends in Samarinda are young male students with limited income who play the game moderately as a form of social entertainment. This demographic profile supports the relevance of studying factors such as security, perceived enjoyment, online customer review, and social media marketing in influencing user trust, satisfaction, and loyalty, as this aspect closely relate to the behavioral characteristic of users group. So this is the hypothesis testing results. The results of this study demonstrate that e-security, perceived enjoyment, online consumer, customer review, and social media marketing significantly influence satisfaction among users. Among these factors, perceived enjoyment has the strongest impact, indicating that user emotional experience and enjoyment are central in determining their satisfaction with the application. This finding aligned with the previous study that highlight the importance of hedonic value and playfulness in shaping positive user experience in mobile application. Meanwhile, e-security and social media marketing also play significant roles, suggesting that trust in data protection and interactive marketing content contribute to user satisfaction. In terms of trust, the results show that e-security, perceived enjoyment, and social media marketing have significant positive effect, while online customer review does not. This suggests that user trust is built more personal experience and system reliability than on the opinion of other users. The strong influence of security underscores that user confidence in transaction safety and privacy protection is critically determinant of trust. Furthermore, social media marketing enhance trust by strengthening user brand engagement and transparency through interactive content. Regarding loyalty, only online customer review demonstrate a significant positive effect, while other direct relationship are not significant. This indicates that loyalty in the context of mobile gaming application is heavily influenced by social proof and peer recommendation rather than by individual users' experience alone. Additionally, satisfaction significantly influences trust, and trust significantly influences loyalty, confirming the mediating role of trust in the model. The absence of direct relationship between satisfaction and loyalty suggests that while users might be satisfied with the service, loyalty emerges primarily when satisfaction translates into a deeper sense of trust. Overall, these findings emphasize that trust serves as the key bridge between users' experience and long-term loyalty. Developers and marketers should therefore focus on maintaining system security, enhancing our user enjoyment, and fostering interactive communication to build trust and sustain loyalty among application users. For the conclusion, the findings of this study reveal that the development of user loyalty towards mobile gaming application is primarily driven by indirect effect mediated through satisfaction and trust, while the direct influence of e-security, perceived enjoyment, and online customer review and social media marketing on loyalty is relatively modest. Their indirect impact through these mediators is substantially stronger, indicating that users' emotional and psychological response play a critical role in sustaining engagement. Specifically, satisfaction and trust serve as essential mechanisms that transfer positive user perception into long-term loyalty. In the context of Mobile Legends, the results highlight that players' loyalty is not solely shaped by gameplay enjoyment or promotional activities, but rather by their overall satisfaction and confidence into the platform reliabilities, fairness, and community interaction. These findings suggest that developers and marketers should focus on enhancing user satisfaction through consistent service quality and strengthening trust by ensuring system security, transparent communication, and community integrity. By prioritizing these relational factors, the application can foster sustainable user loyalty and maintain the competitive position in rapidly evolving mobile gaming market. Thank you. That's all our research result.